Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some fantastic farmhouse home decor inspiration. Let's start the video. This time focusing on its emotional essence, detailed room styling, lifestyle influence, and modern adaptations. This style is more than just a look, it is a way of living that blends elegant nostalgia with natural simplicity. The heart and emotion behind the style. Fantastic farmhouse decor is emotion-driven design. It is rooted in comfort, memory, and the love of imperfection. It is for people who appreciate the charm of time and beauty, prefer cozy calm over sleek minimalism, believe that a home should tell a story, not just look pretty. Every piece from a weathered chair to a lace curtain carries sentimental energy, reminds you of simpler times, family gatherings, and countryside heat. The visual personality. Imagine walking into a home filled with soft cream walls glowing in natural light, a large wooden farmhouse table with mismatched chairs, a vase of garden roses beside the stack of antique books, linen curtains fluttering in a warm breeze. That is the world of fantastic farmhouse decor, a mixture of elegance, ease, and ease. Key visual traits: whitewashed furniture and rustic wood tones, subtle feminine details like sculpted aged or floral fabrics, gently distressed paint finishes that show history and life. Use natural elements like basket, stoneware, and weathered iron. The lifestyle connection. This decor reflects a slower, intentional way of life. A time feels unhurried. People who love this style often value homemade meals and family tables, gardening and bringing fresh flowers indoors. Restoring old items instead of buying new. Simple pleasures like tea, candlelight, handmade crafts. Your home becomes not just a place to live, but a century of warmth and authenticity. Lighting and atmosphere. Fantastic farmhouse spaces glow with soft golden light. Lighting is essential in shaping the emotional warmth of the home. Try candlelight in messengers or glass lanterns. Antique candlelights with a little charnels, not too shiny. Soft lampshade made from linen or fabric. Use fairy lights or warm Edison bulbs for evening comfort. The goal: every corner should feel gentle, glowing, and serene. Room by room atmosphere. Living room. Color based. Use ivory, peely gray, or faded glass. Furniture. Use sleep comfort sofas, wooden coffee tables, and vintage armchairs. Accents. Floral cushions, lace throws, a rustic ladder shelf with potted plants. Lighting. Candlelights or rattan lamps for a soft golden hue. Feel cozy, conversational, and filled with character. Kitchen. Surfaces. Button block counters, open wooden shelves, and white cabinetry. Decor. Glass jars, enamel mugs, copper pots, and hanging herbs. Touch of Chic. Use floral curtains, pastel cookware, or a vintage clock. Overall vibe: bright, homely, and always inviting, for meals feel meaningful. Bedroom. Bed style. Use old iron or distressed wood frame. Bedding. Layered quads, linen sheets, crocheted covers, and soft pillows. Palette. whites, muted pinks, soft blues, and warm neutrals. Accents: Venus mirrors, lace lampshades, or an antique chunk. Feeling: romantic, restful, and nostalgic. Next, bathroom. Pictures: fluffy tub, white tiles, rustic wood shelves. Decor: use open baskets, floral towels, glass jars for essentials. Extras: candles, vintage perfume bottles, and plants. Feeling: spa-like serenity with a touch of old world charm. The role of texture. Texture is the heartbeat of this style. It makes the space feel layered and alive. Common textures include linen, cotton, lace, and burlap. The stains are whitewashed wood, stone wicker, tooth, and edged metal. Also use handmade crafts like crochet or embroidery. Mixing these creates depth and touchable beauty. Modern adaptations. While Vintage Farmhouse is rooted in nostalgia, it adapts beautifully to modern life. Combine old furniture with modern minimal layouts. Use neutral walls as a backdrop for antique accents. Add window sliding fixtures in modern kitchens. Choose eco-friendly materials and repurposed furniture. This creates what designers call modern farmhouse chic, clean yet soulful. The feeling of home. Ultimately, this style creates a space that feels warm. You feel welcomed instantly. Peaceful, the clutter-free simplicity calms your mind. Romantic, the gentle light and floral touches bring softness. Authentic, every piece has meaning and charm. A vintage farmhouse home does not just look beautiful, it feels lived, loved, and timeless. The emotional core at its heart. This style is about love and memory. It reflects sentimental value. The things that matter most are often the ones that have aged with us. Soft nostalgia, a reminder of simpler, sweeter times. Graceful living, beauty without arrogance, elegance without effort. It is the kind of home that feels timeless, heartfelt, and full of soul, where every corner whispers warmth and history. Let's take a truly intimate, atmospheric look at Vintage Farmhouse Decor by peeling back a few more layers. Its origins, cultural influences, craftsmanship, and sensory details that give it such an enduring soul. Where the style comes from. Vintage Farmhouse Decor evolved from three intertwined design traditions: rural farmhouses of Europe and America, built for comfort, practicality, and a connection to the land. French and English culture romance, carved furniture, delicate fabrics, pastel colors, and garden influences. Shaping of the 1980s to 1990s, the rediscovery of painted time-worn furniture and feminine detailing. Over time, decorators blended them into one aesthetic that feels nostalgic yet airy, rustic yet graceful. Craftsmanship and authenticity. The charm comes from workmanship you can feel, hand-turned table legs, dovetail drawers, and visible joinery. Brass painted finishes where strokes and imperfections show. Hardware in old iron, pitware, or aged brass. Reclaimed chambers reused for shelves or beams. Every piece should look crafted, not manufactured. Evidence of human touch is essential. Materials that tell a story. Pictures weave emotion into the room. Wood used reclaimed oak, pine, or peat, with matte waxer rather than gloss. Textiles use linen, cotton, burlap, crochet, alt lace, or old threads. Metals use brushed, not shiny. Think galvanized buckets or antique bronze lamps. Glass and pottery, slightly imperfect hand-blown or glazed surfaces. These layers create a tactile richness. When you touch anything, it feels alive. Scent and sound, vintage farmhouse style appeals to all the senses. Aromas, beeswax candles, lavender shades, lemon oil, and oat baking bread. Sounds creak of floorboards, ticking clock, but outside an open window. This multisensory presence turns decoration into experience. Patterns and motifs. Patterns are gentle, never loud. Tiny flowers, faded damask, soft ginghams, tall senses, repetition in subtle touches, maybe floral cushions against plant, linen upholstery. They should look like they have mellowed with time, not freshly printed. Connection to nature. If you think this farmhouse space has a dialogue with outdoors, herbs on the windowsills, fresh blooms in animal jugs. Use natural stone, wicker, or rattan details. Seasonal changes reflected indoors. Judge wheat in autumn, wildflowers in spring. It is about living with the rhythm of nature, not apart from it. Philosophy of simplicity. This decor quietly rejects over decoration. It values purposeful objects over clutter. Meaningful heirlooms over trendy purchases. Quality and repair over disposal. A tip teacup might stay because it belonged to your grandmother. That sentiment is the style. Timeless adaptability. Inspired by old cottages, the look adapts easily in small apartments. Use light colors, vintage mirrors, and reclaimed shelves. In modern homes, soften sleek lines with antique chairs or rustic lighting. The principle is always balance between rustic honesty and refined charm. The feeling it leaves with you. A true vintage farmhouse home feels beautiful like a Sunday morning, romantic without being frilly, honest, nothing pretends to be hot, it is not. It invites you to slow down, breathe, and appreciate the quiet beauty of ordinary things. The mood it creates. A vintage farmhouse home feels like a quiet morning, with sunlight filtering through lace curtains. A handmade sound quilt that feels soft with memories. A kitchen that smells like bread and flowers. Rooms that breathe calmness, comfort, and gentle nostalgia. It is a vault of romantic simplicity, where every crack faded print and creaky floorboards adds character. The philosophy of vintage farmhouse style. At its core, this decor celebrates the beauty of imperfection, the belief that age, texture, and history make a home richer and more meaningful. It's a blend of three heartfelt design values: farmhouse warmth, simplicity, practicality, and comfort. Vintage charm for age, craftsmanship, and nostalgia. Chic softness, feminine detail to delight and graceful refinement. The true secret. It is not about looking expensive. It is about feeling loved, cozy, and timeless. At its heart, this style reflects sustainability, reuse, restore, and repurpose instead of replacing. Emotion. Surround yourself with things that hold meaning and memory. Balance. Rustic and refined elements in perfect harmony. Timelessness. A style that never fades because it's rooted in authenticity. The feeling it creates when you walk into a fantastic farmhouse home, it should feel like a sunlit morning in the countryside. A space at times slows down and hearts feel full. A gentle blend of familiarity, romance, and simplicity. It is elegant without being cold and rustic without being rough. A place where comfort meets beauty effortlessly. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.